Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I'll fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit snipers? It's your boy Carlos with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, today I want to bring to you a content specifically tailored to businesses. Now, as we launch a new software which is called the 360 Business Vantage, our goal here is to help 100,000 businesses to obtain between $1 billion to $2 billion of lending. Guys, today I'm rocking my 10x hat, and obviously it always goes with the 10x hat. But guys, you know what? I just want to make sure that we want to help you. That's what I want you to know. We're here today. I want to start talking to you about learning the compliance. Today we're gonna throw a short video. We're doing a lot of marketing video. I want you to see some of the training that we are putting together that is going to revolutionize. I gotta say that word about 3 different times. Revolutionize the industry. Guys, we want to make sure we help you. We want to make sure that you get in. Make sure that you get a scan on your business and figure out what's helping you or affecting you at the same time. But guys, hey, look, this is your first time on our channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon over here. Make sure that you subscribe. Click on the bell icon. Click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But overall, guys, I know you're gonna love the video today because this is some of the market that we've been working for months. We finally got everything together, and little by little they're gonna be dripping. So give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you like it. Let us know what you think. Let us know your thoughts. Comment on this, and at the same time, guys, keep follow. Send this to somebody else because it is not only going to help you today, but it's going to help the next person left and right to you. But guys, hey, without further ado, let's jump into the video, and I'll see you very soon.
When you apply for a business loan, there are items that lenders will check for approval. These are called lender compliance items. In most cases, the business loan officer sitting across the desk from you will not know what these items are. They mostly just take your application, feed it into the computer, and see what the computer says. Well, the computer says you are declined because the computer has checked your lender compliance items and found that 1 or 20 of them have not been completed. Having even one incomplete lender compliance item will result in your business being declined, and that loan officer will probably not be able to tell you why. So let's look at why you got declined. Decline item number 1, business credit. The lender's computer just checked your business credit reports, and you either had no business credit at all, or your business credit scores were below 70 with all 3 major business credit reporting agencies. So your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 2, business address. The lender's computer just checked your business address against the U.S. Postal Service database, and it came back as non-business, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 3, business phone. The lender's computer just checked your business phone number against the FCC database, and it came back as a cell or residential phone number, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 4, entity in good standing. The lender's computer just checked with your Secretary of State, and your business was not listed, or it was listed as not in good standing, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 5, National 411. The lender's computer just checked with the National 411 Directory Assistance, and your business was not found, so your business loan application was declined. And there are typically about 15 more items that lenders will check. There's a reason that as high as 90% of all business loan applications get declined. It is because there's a lot more going on in the background for a business loan application than there is for a personal loan application. That means there is a lot more you need to know before you apply. When you take the business finance pre-qualification test, you can be assured that when you apply, you are ready to be approved. Completing the test will give you access to all the lender compliance items and make sure you get them completed before you begin submitting applications.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?